my name is Mackenzie, and this is the Mackenzie song, and I want to show you a horse.
Put your hand down.
You can see it.
That's your horse?
But you have to.
Okay, so are you going to draw something else?
Look in the camera.
Go ahead and draw something else. That's a dinosaur astronaut.
Okay. To get this straight, you need a glue stick.
They don't have a thing. Do we have the top for this? What are you going to glue? You want some little things to glue on?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Is that your dinosaur?
Yeah. And today, hey, it's time for mushrooms.
Okay, what are you doing now? What is that? What is that?
A dinosaur. I'm not finished. Let me finish.
Okay.
Oh, I can use this one.
Want some of these?
Yeah. What? Hand me one little circle. Can we keep the box? You say. So that's what a dinosaur spaceman is.
Wow.